another video. Today, guys, we are going to show you how to make chicken stew. Now, right now, we already put on the bouillon into the crock pot, as well. The water is already in there, so I already put it in. Now, right now, we have chicken right here. We're going to grab the beef stew, which is right here. Now, I can't open it with my hands because I'm not really good, so we're going to use scissors. We just can cut it up from the top. Then we're going to open the lid.
Be real careful because it's already heated.
Yes.
Okay.
So you want to put it kind of like right next to the vegetable area, right over here. So with the beef, with the seasoning, you want to dump it into the crock pot, correct?
Yes.
And this is 1 ounce and 5.5. And after that is put in. Now again, as I said, we have the bouillon already in. So you're just going to mix it with the spoon.
And the reason we're adding the beef stew seasoning, even though it's chicken stew, is just to give it extra flavor.
Yes, like more spicy. And then, of course, we can't keep the spoon in there. Like, can we?
No. Well, you can as you put the ingredients in, then you can mix it through. Take out the spoon and then put the lid back on. Okay.
So right here we have potatoes. These are cut and diced and skinned.
Okay. And washed.
And washed.
Twice.
Woo! It cut off my glasses.
Be real careful getting that all in there. Good job, Jess.
Oh, one at the end.
Okay. Make sure you stir that around. Kind of get that coated in the broth with seasonings. We still got plenty of room?
Yes.
This is the crock pot that we did purchase during the, when Amazon was doing their second round of Amazon Prime Day in October. Walmart was trying to match them on a few things. This is the old school crock pot I've talked about that I purchased. This is an 8-quart, and I got it for $29.
Okay, now what you're going to do, you're going to grab mixed vegetables or any vegetables you want. This has carrots, green beans, corns, and peas. And it is 2 pounds.
32 ounces of frozen veggies.
Yes.
This is going to be a super easy, quick
32 ounces, which is 2 pounds and 907 grams.
Good job.
Now you're going to cut wherever you want to open it.
Hopefully not from the bottom.
No, of course not. Then you're
Be real careful dumping that in. Don't let it splatter on you. You don't want to get burnt. My kids have no problems eating their veggies. Never had to hide veggies from them in foods. They love their vegetables. You still got plenty of room for the chicken?
Yes.
And she just tosses that bag to the side.
Yes. Because the trash can's somewhere in the kitchen, of course. Now these are frozen vegetables.
Okay.
And then we got beef. Wait.
Nope, we already used the beef.
And we got chicken.
So we got chicken.
Yes, chicken.
That is 3.5 large chicken breasts. Ew.
Shield it to the camera. Okay, next we're going to dump it in.
Be very careful, please. Jessie is taking a cooking class as one of her electives from homeschooling, and she's doing really well. She'll show you guys here in the future. She has a lot of decorating that she's been doing with cakes.
I want to splatter it in, so I have to use my hands. Ew.
And she will wash her hands afterwards.
Yep.
And yes, we do wash the chicken.
We wash the chicken and everything else.
Okay.
So this is, as you guys can see, filled now.
And if we want to thicken it up, I'll just add some cornstarch at the very end when it's done.
Like whatever flavor you guys like, you can do it. If you're, if you don't.
Different types of protein.
Yes,
you can do beef,
chicken, beef,
pork, even sausage.
Yes. So you're just going to stir this up again to make sure everyone's got it.
And again, I will use cornstarch at the very end when it's done to thicken the sauce up.
As you guys can smell, it smells like Taco Bell sauce.
I hope not.
It does.
It smells like beef stew seasoning to me.
Yes, but...
Okay, so everything's all covered. Did you get the chicken all kind of distributed through?
Yep. It's
Okay.
all smashed in.
You don't want to smash it.
Not smashed in, put in.
Mixed in.
Yes.
Okay, make sure you put the lid on. And we're going to put it on 8 hours, which is low and slow. We don't want it high. We want it low. So do you have it on the low setting or do you have it on the high setting?
We have it on the low.
Okay.
So you're gonna put the lid on it. You're gonna make sure you have it on the low. Right next to it, to my right.
Yep.
There is a little high. You want to go up, like from a click. See, this is high. You click up. That's
this one does not have a medium in it, y'all. It doesn't have the 4 to 6 hours. It has off, keep warm, low, and high. All right, and what are we going to put with this for dinner tonight, Jessica?
And as a surprise for some people,
for some people,
we have
a loaf
bread.
of bread. So the bread's going to thaw out. It's frozen. It's bread dough. And we will be putting that with dinner tonight. So that will conclude our chicken stew for dinner tonight. Super simple, fast and easy to make, and this is going to serve so many portions. So, all right, Jess, you did awesome. Thank you so much for making dinner for us tonight.
Yep.
All right,
Bye-bye.
y'all. Catch you in the next video. Until then,
Make
Without
sure to-
Limits and Jessica are
out. And make sure to like and subscribe.